Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by backing up saves and your mod organizer profile so you can revert if needed. Once done, install SKSE64 that matches the exact game version. This provides hooks many fixes need. Make sure to run SSE edit and scan for plugin conflicts or missing masters. This finds skeleton or NPC record issues that trigger TPose. You want to eliminate conflicts early because subsequent steps rely on a clean plugin baseline for animation fixes to apply correctly. Next, you address the animation pipeline. Run generate fnis or nemesis to update behavior files after any animation or skeleton change. This rebuilds the game's animation graph. Then, replace or reinstall skeleton files like xbmsse or correct. NIF meshes when models mismatch. Wrong skeletons force TPose. Also, run loot and resolve load order warnings. Then rebuild bashed or merged patches so leveled lists and overrides reflect corrected assets. Finally, you verify fixes in-game. Load a clean save close to the problematic NPC and use the console to refresh the actor. Disable then enable so new assets load. If TPose persists, inspect merged patches for missing head parts or face-gen entries and recreate the NPC if necessary. Corrupted actor data can lock poses. If you still can't find the culprit, revert to your backup and enable mods one at a time until the error returns, which isolates the offending mod quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.